Welcome back to another video. Today we have a 1/4 inch impact driver from Milwaukee, 2853-20. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, so basically we got an old impact driver. This thing has been around for quite a while already. One of the major defects that this item had is the collar. When you were drilling and you pull out, pull out the bits or the drill, the collar will not grab and will disconnect. Sometimes it'll get annoying. There's other channels out there that proven that this was happening with this type of tool. I bought this tool because I wanted to see if they fixed the problem or not. If this is one of the tools that still has the collar problem, I will be returning this to Home Depot. If not, then we're going to be finding out. There's one way of finding out, and I'll show you guys how to find out if your impact driver is the new version or the old version, that the defected version. There's no way of knowing by the box or anything, so the only way is looking at the tool itself. So alright, so we got M18 fuel driven tool outperform. You got 2853-20, 1/4 inch impact driver, belt clip and bit holder, battery and charger not included. I don't know why they put so much cardboard in here. Nothing else in the box. We got a piece of cardboard here. Alright, so we got some instructions. We got some more literature here, maybe a poster with all the tools that they have. We got the tool here. Alright, so we got the Milwaukee. It's really nice. I really like the Milwaukee. I wanted one of these for a while. I used these before. I have one of the older ones, the brushless, but I wanted one of these. This is all rubber, really nice. I really like the grip. Milwaukee has an awesome grip. I really like this is really smooth. That's one thing I'm going to tell you from other drills. This is really smooth. Alright, so all the black part is rubber. Starting from the bottom, you got 4 connectors there, as you guys see there. You got a belt clip already included on the tool. It's already assembled. You got a bit holder on the right side. So let's try it out. So yeah, it's nice. That's really nice to have. You got a 4 setting here. You got 1, 2, and 3, and then you got another setting here, which I don't know exactly what that is, because like I said, I'm fairly new to this tool itself. I have other Milwaukee tools, but I'm fairly new to this, so we'll find out what that is. You got a beam there, a light, LED lights. You got a collar. Let's check if this is a quick collar. It should be. Yep, locks in there. And you got the M18 Milwaukee on the top there. You got, let's see here, you got C18 number 2853-20. You got the serial number there, and it says 300 minute IPM, 0 to 3, 600 IPM. It says a 1/4 inch hex impact driver, Milwaukee tool, Brookfield, Wyoming. It says listed 9R31. Let's see here. Use M18 batteries, made in Vietnam. So this is made in Vietnam, just to let you know. You got a nice rubber stop there, rubber stop there on the back. You got some nice breathing vents. Another one here, another one there. Nothing on the back, but you do have some big breathing vents, which is a good thing. You can see the fan in there. There's a fan. Let's see, let's check this out. Let's put a battery in here and see if it turns on first. So we got a regular 2 amp hour battery. This is not a high output. This is what I just had here. So right off the bat, you're getting a lot of air movement, which is something that I do like about these tools. All the Milwaukee tools, they have a lot of air movement. So that's one thing. Keep down keep the motor cool, keep all the transmission cool. That's one thing. Yeah, all the air's moving this way and this way. So this is the vents where it kicks out the air. That's a really nice thing. And you got a LED there on the. It's actually wider than what it looks like. I know it looks blue on the camera, but it's wider there. All right, so you got this. That's the third setting. I guess so. It does start a little slower, and then it just gradually moves. Maybe for screwing for a screw. That's a good thing. And then we got speed 1. We got speed 2. Then we got speed 3. Alright, so and then we just got the auto speed, or whatever you want to call it. The auto mode. One way of finding out if you got the latest version, actually the only way to find out if you got the good version, which I don't know what I have, is by checking the color, which I think I have the older version, because I do not have. If you look inside, you're supposed to see 2 ball bearings. 2 ball bearings inside, as you guys see. I don't know if you guys can see it there, but there's a ball bearing in there. This is in here. 2 ball bearings. Yeah, I don't see ball bearing in there. I don't know. I might take this back. I might keep it. I'm gonna give it I'm gonna give it some tests and see if I have that problem with this specific drill. Because if I have that problem, I'm probably gonna end up taking it back. So we'll see what happens. But my understanding is that if you have one of those in there, you got the older model. If you got 2 of them in there, you got the newer model. So alright, let's test this outside, see how it does, and if it doesn't work, we'll take it back. Driving a screw in, just a framing screw. So this is a quick insert collar, and we're on speed 3, by the way. So no problem. Alright, we're gonna be doing this on the auto mode. So it stops once it senses it's all the way in there. That's why for framing screws, obviously 3 is not the, auto mode is not the ideal. Take this out on speed 3. Alright, we got a 5/16 drill bit. We're gonna be drilling a hole, see how it handles it. No problem. But yeah, 1/2 inch drill bit. I'm gonna do it right here. And this is a 4-inch lag compared to this. It's pretty thick and pretty big. So we're gonna be doing this one first, and then we're gonna be doing this one. So speed 3. So it's all the way in there, no problem. Alright, we're going to be doing this big lag here. Like I said, it's a 4-inch, very thick lag. We're going to do it right about here. Alright, the wood separated, so we're going to take that out. And made it all the way through. No problem. Alright, this is the final test. We're going to be doing a 1-inch and a 1 1/4. If this is bad, this is not, when I pull this out, it's going to pull out of the color. We'll see what happens. So we're going to do the 1-inch first. We're going to do it on speed 3. Right here. No problem. Now we got the 1 1/4. Right here. No problem. We're going to do another hole just in case. I'm going to do another one right here. No problem. Well, I gotta say, maybe when this gets used up, maybe when this gets old, it starts having problems at the color. From my point of view, from the test we just did right now, I believe this is a good impact driver, and this hasn't failed yet, so it looks like it's good. So anyways, this is a great impact driver. I really like it. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.